So this is something you don't see every morning. Trev said, I see sheep with baskets on. I thought, what? But it had donkeys with baskets on. But how cute are they? Look at them.
I have a donkey joke.
Okay.
So I was in a pub.
Yes.
And there's a guy sitting there having his beer.
Yes.
Another guy walks up to him and said, hello donkey. And I said, why does he call you donkey? He said, hee-haw, hee-haw, he always calls me that.
So lame.
Lame.
When you work,
yeah.
You stick your tongue out.
Yeah, I do. I stick my tongue out all the time.
So what are you doing, Trev?
Concentration. Cleaning the roof of the camper and the rest of the camper.
Yeah, because it's pretty dirty.
Pretty dirty.
And
Months and months of tree sap.
Yeah, I think we would rather have a black camper.
Yeah. Or silver.
Silver. The next one will be a color, not white.
Exactly.
You see everything on it.
Yeah.
But yeah. But good job, Annie.
Thank you.
Hope I stay dry though.
Oh, I don't mind the rain.
No?
Make sure the soap suds off.
Oh, that's true. I'll give a quick look around because you haven't done this bit yet.
No, I haven't done that bit. I did the roof. You can have a look on the roof.
No, I'm not going up there. You crazy?
Give it to me.
Okay, life transfer. Oh
Yeah.
God.
There we go. Nice and clean. I'll get up a bit more. So yeah, all the solar panels are done, the roof lights are done, the max fan and the big one here. I'm just working my way to the front. It was, yeah, there's no before, but it was, believe me, it was really, really dirty up here. So yeah, it's needed.
Do a quick walk around. Yeah, I know. But I'll show you how dirty it is.
Yeah,
This side is not that bad.
I wiped it off with dirty water.
The
worst of it off.
Because the other side was really bad. And look at all these flies.
I did the same. I took off the dirt first.
Oh yeah, good man.
I'm just
Smart.
going over with the clean water.
So, the dreaded bridge is coming up. As you saw in our previous vlogs, we had to carry Misty. But we have been training with her the wonders of a cookie. And she does it now. She walks herself. So hopefully she won't prove me wrong now. And I can show you. Come on. Josie still no fear. She'll just go. Come on, Josie. Deze kant op. Said this way in Dutch. Good girl. Good girl, Misty. Go on. Go on. Good girl. You know what's waiting for you on the other side. Go on. Such a good girl. Come. Yay, Misty. Good girl. So today we walked a different route on the road instead of the grass. That's so Dutch for me. Blue sky with some clouds, cows, those big windmills. Doesn't get much Dutcher than that.
It'd be nice if there's a traditional windmill here somewhere.
Yeah, I'm sure there is somewhere,
Yeah.
and normally we walk somewhere there behind those trees.
Yeah.
But we will be there in a bit, I think. We have no idea where we will end up.
Oh, that's a church over there.
Where? Oh yeah.
So we're gonna go that way.
Okay. So all roads lead back to the same place, really, and that's the Beerse, little waterway. So walking a bit further away from the mill. It's a nice path here, so why not see what's there. I think you can walk for hours, but we're not doing that because it's a bit wet and muddy. But yeah,
Very nice.
very, very
Very
nice.
peaceful. Birds are singing. Good weather for walking.
Yes. Little Misty dog. Misty. It's a guide on a stick to keep the birds away, I guess, from his land.
Good idea.
Good idee.
Yes.
Yeah, it does. So we're by the watermill, where we were before, and we walked over this bridge and we saw this sign. So Trev has some facts.
Was the person who was part of the Scottish battalion, and he braved German resistance here in October 1944 to secure the vital river crossing and help liberate the area against the Germans.
Yay for Lieutenant Colonel
Well
Mackenzie.
done, Mackenzie.
Kikero. It's Misty's favorite toy. And she nudges it with her nose, as you can see. That little game. Kikero. She gives it to you, it's so funny. Kikero. Go on then. But her favorite game really is chasing. So she likes nudging it and kicking it backwards and forwards. But her favorite game is play like this and then chase her. What are you doing? What are you doing? Put your leg on. Oh, sorry. Look at the deer. So cute. We're doing a different walk today because it's a bit wet, so just walking down the street. Look at them all looking at me, or the dogs probably. They're very cute. They're all waiting to see what happens. My evil dogs can get them. They're all huddled together because they're scared of the dogs, I think. They don't really trust that, but they're very curious and very cute. And it's right on the corner of where we're staying, and all that time I didn't see them until yesterday we drove by and I said, oh, they have little deer here. She's too quick. And Misty. Oh, glad. Good morning everyone. Today we're gonna put the Nonja 12-in-1 oven and air fryer to the ultimate test, because I'm making riblappen. I have no idea what that is in English. It's a beef, but you have to cook it for a long time, and in my old slow cooker it was like 10 hours and then it would be good. So we're gonna try that in the Nonja today. So yeah, we'll see. I'll post the recipe that I'm making in the description of the video, of course, and I will let you know tonight after we've eaten how it was. So enjoy the cook video. Good evening everyone. So we just ate, and the thing I noticed, and I've already read that online, is it's not really made as a slow cooker because it's not in a pot, it's in an open tray. So the first thing I noticed that I had to fill up the water a few times, so it run dry very quickly, when in a normal slow cooker you always have too much moist. This one had not enough. So yeah, that's one thing that you really have to look after. And after 10 hours the meat was good, but not perfect. It wasn't that fall apart, nice, soft, buttery meat that I wanted. I'm not giving up yet. I'm gonna try some other tips that I've read. You can buy a pot that fits in there. You can put it on high for a longer time, maybe that will work. So I'm gonna try a few more attempts, and otherwise we're just gonna keep our old slow cooker and still keep this one because I love all the other features of this machine. It's just perfect for everything else. So yeah, that's my experience. If you have a different experience or you have any questions, just put them below in the questions and I'll answer gladly. And I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog, and I'll see you next week. Bye!